Starting to write content for affiliate marketing can seem intimidating at first, but with the right strategy, you can create content that is both informative and effective in driving conversions. Here are some tips to help you get started. Know your audience. Before you start writing, make sure you have a clear understanding of your target audience. Who are they, what are their interests and pain points, and what type of content are they looking for? This information will help you create content that speaks directly to their needs and interests. Choose the right affiliate products. It's important to only promote products that you believe in and that you know will provide value to your audience. Make sure the products you choose align with your niche and your brand. Create helpful and informative content. The key to successful affiliate marketing is providing value to your audience. Write blog posts, videos, and other content that educates and informs your audience about the products you are promoting. Make sure your content is not overly promotional and does not come across as spammy. Include affiliate links in your content. Once you have created your content, make sure to include affiliate links to the products you are promoting. Place them in relevant and natural places within your content, such as in the body of the text or in a call to action at the end of the content. Monitor your performance. Regularly check your affiliate marketing results to see what is working and what is not. This information will help you adjust your strategy and create even more effective content. By following these tips, you can create high-quality content that engages your audience and drives conversions for your affiliate marketing efforts. Good luck.